What if I told you that one book could completely change the way you think about money, work, and success? Ray Dalio's Principles. Life and Work isn't just a financial book. It's a guide to mastering life itself. Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into the game-changing principles that helped build one of the most successful hedge funds in history. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you're ready to transform your financial mindset. It helps us reach more people who want to learn how to master money and life. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to break down the most powerful principles from Principles, Life and Work by Ray Dalio. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or someone working on improving their financial mindset, this book is packed with lessons that can transform how you approach both your personal life and your financial future. We're talking about radical transparency, mastering decision-making, and building a mindset for success. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to boost your financial journey and make smarter, more informed decisions. So, let's dive in. First up, Dalio's most powerful principle: embrace reality and deal with it. This sounds simple, but it's harder than you think. Dalio's philosophy is all about facing the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it might be. In your financial life, this means accepting market realities, your current financial situation, and the tough decisions that come with it. It means looking at your bank account without flinching, acknowledging when an investment isn't working, or admitting that your budget needs a serious overhaul. Many of us prefer to live in a state of wishful thinking, hoping that problems will just go away. But Dalio argues that this is the fastest path to failure. Stop ignoring problems and confront them head-on, because only then can you make real progress. The pain you feel when facing a harsh reality is a signal, a growing pain that tells you it's time to learn and adapt. By embracing reality, you turn painful moments into opportunities for improvement, building a foundation of strength and resilience for whatever comes next. Next, let's talk about radical transparency. Dalio built his legendary hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, on this very principle. The idea is simple: be open, honest, and transparent in everything you do, especially in business and with your finances. Imagine a workplace where people aren't afraid to say what they really think, where mistakes are discussed openly to learn from them, not to assign blame. That's the environment Dalio cultivated. If you want to succeed in finance or business, you need to create a culture where honesty is the foundation and constructive feedback is always welcomed. This applies to your personal life too. Are you transparent with your partner about your spending habits? Do you openly discuss financial goals and fears? When you embrace transparency, you uncover your own blind spots, avoid costly mistakes, and build a culture of trust that drives incredible growth and deeper relationships. It's about creating a feedback loop where the best ideas win, regardless of who they come from. Another game changer is radical open-mindedness. Dalio teaches that the best decisions come when we actively listen to other people's opinions, especially when they challenge our own. Our ego often gets in the way. We want to be right, and we get defensive when our beliefs are questioned. But Dalio says, this is a huge barrier to success. True open-mindedness isn't just about listening politely. It's about genuinely trying to see things from another's perspective and being willing to change your mind. In finance, this could mean listening to market experts who have a bearish view when you're feeling bullish, or carefully studying why a past investment failed instead of just writing it off as bad luck. The key is to shift your focus from proving you're right to finding out what's true. Stay humble and recognize that you don't know it all. It's this open-minded approach that separates the successful from the stagnant, allowing you to constantly evolve and make better, more informed choices. Here's where it gets really interesting. Believability-weighted decision-making. This is Dalio's systematic method for making decisions based on who has the best experience and track record. Think about it. When you need medical advice, you go to a doctor, not a plumber. So why do we often take financial advice from friends or family who have no proven expertise? Dalio's approach is to weigh opinions differently based on a person's believability. A believable person is someone who has repeatedly succeeded in the area you're discussing and can explain their reasoning clearly. In your financial journey, this means taking advice from seasoned investors, certified financial planners, or entrepreneurs who've actually built successful businesses, not just someone on the internet with a strong opinion. By giving more weight to people with proven success, you can filter out the noise, make smarter decisions, and avoid incredibly costly mistakes. It's about building your own personal board of advisors and learning to trust the experts. Next, we have a principle that's crucial for teamwork and relationships. Understand that people are wired differently. Dalio emphasizes that not everyone thinks the same way, and that's a good thing. We all have different cognitive strengths and weaknesses. Some people are highly creative and excel at brainstorming big ideas. Others are detail-oriented and meticulous, perfect for executing a plan. Dalio uses personality assessments like the Myers-Briggs to understand these differences and build teams where people's strengths complement each other. In the world of investing or business, this could mean recognizing that someone who's great at analyzing data may not be the best at client-facing interactions, and vice versa. The key isn't to find people who are just like you, but to surround yourself with a diverse group of thinkers whose strengths fill your gaps. When you appreciate these differences, instead of getting frustrated by them, you can build powerful, high-performing teams and partnerships that achieve far more than any single individual could alone. Finally, let's talk about Dalio's 5-step process for achieving any goal. This is a practical, repeatable blueprint that you can apply to literally anything, from getting in shape to building wealth. Here's how it works. First, set clear goals. Know exactly what you want. Don't just say, "I want to be rich." Say, "I want to have a net worth of $1 million in 10 years. Second, identify and don't tolerate problems. Be ruthless about spotting the obstacles standing in your way. Third, accurately diagnose those problems to get to their root causes. Is your spending the issue, or is it your income? You have to understand why things are going wrong. Fourth, design a plan to eliminate those problems. This is your strategy. It could be creating a detailed budget, setting up automatic investments, or starting a side hustle. And finally, the 5th and most important step, do whatever it takes to push the plan through to completion. Take massive, consistent action to see your goals come to life. These 5 steps are the engine Dalio uses for both his personal and professional success, and they're a game changer for anyone looking to crush their financial goals. And there you have it. Ray Dalio's principles are packed with powerful insights that can change how you approach everything, whether it's money, business, or personal growth. From embracing reality and being radically transparent to using a systematic process for achieving your goals, these principles will help you build a stronger financial mindset and reach your goals faster. They're not just theories. They're a practical operating system for success. If you found these principles valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to Money Mindset Summary for more insightful financial book summaries. And drop a comment below telling me which of Dalio's principles you will apply to your life first. I'd love to hear how you plan to put these ideas into action. Also, if you want more summaries of the world's best financial books, make sure to check out our other videos. Remember, it's not just about reading financial books. It's about putting the principles into practice. Information alone won't change your life. Action will. Take action, embrace reality, and start building your money mindset today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.